The Bajaj Freedom CNG motorcycle is soon going to be not the only production two-wheeler CNG powered offering in India, because it is soon probably going to be joined by the TVS Jupiter CNG. Now the TVS Jupiter CNG that you see on your screens right now, it is still in a conceptualized form, but we believe TVS that they are soon going to make this a reality. So in this video I'll be taking you through all the details regarding the TVS Jupiter CNG, regarding the design, which is basically similar as to what we've already seen on the Jupiter 110, but the technical specifications are a lot different as compared to your Jupiter 110, because this thing can also run on CNG. Now to answer your question first, where is the CNG tank? It has gobbled up the entire underseat storage, as you can very well see here. Now, as my eyes can tell, there is no underseat storage, but the packaging, it looks really nice. Right? I mean, TVS is renowned to be an innovative company, and they don't compromise on the build quality as well. And all those aspects are very much present on the Jupiter CNG. Now, talking about the technical specifications of it, it has a true range of 226 kilometers, which is a combined range of both the petrol and CNG variants. It can hold 1.4 kilograms of CNG and 2 liters of petrol. And on 1 kilogram of CNG, TVS is claiming that it can run on 84 kilometers, and the running cost, it is below 1 kilometer, below 1 rupees for 1 kilometer. Now that is quite affordable, and we are sure that it is going to appeal to the masses out there. It is a mass offering basically. Now talking about the other differences, this thing has a top speed of 80 kilometers per hour, and it puts down 7.1 PS, which is slightly less powerful as compared to your normal Jupiter 110. And the toggle switch for the CNG and the petrol thing is placed here. Now at first it is a little flimsy. Now there's no embargo on our opinions as such, so I'm very much free to give you all my opinions. So this thing could be a little better. I really like the toggle switch on the Freedom. So this thing should have been here. It would have been much better. The instrument cluster, as you can see, is derived from the other TVS Jupiter offerings, like the Jupiter 125. And if you look at the overall design philosophy of the scooter, it very much reminds you of the Jupiter that we all love. Like starting from the front end, it gets a LED headlamp, which again is reminiscent of the Jupiter 110 and the Jupiter 125. There's a nice CNG branding over here to tell you that this thing can run on compressed natural gas as well, and not just on petrol alone. Now as far as aesthetically speaking, now this is the only takeaway, that it is powered by CNG. Apart from that, the overall design, the overall look of the scooter, it is very much similar to what we have already seen on the Jupiter 110. Now talking about the other cycle parts, again very much similar to what we have already seen by TVS. Up front it gets telescopic forks, a disc brake at the front and drum brakes at the rear, and this is how the floorboard space looks like. Absolutely, again, no surprises over here. Good amount of space, so you can basically fit 2 cylinders here, one in the CNG and one LPG cylinder that you can stock up here. So a scooter that can carry 2 cylinders, that is what the TVS Jupiter CNG is. Now do let us know in the comment section below that what you think about the Jupiter CNG. Can it replicate the success that we have seen the Bajaj Freedom, and it's been clocking, astronomical sales figures, and we believe that the Jupiter CNG can repeat the same feat. Whether it can do that or not, do let us know in the comment section below.